great patrons of literature, means they were fond of literature. They were authors of fame and also they were authors of fame, means वे उनके उनका जो नाम था, नेम एंड फेम किस तौर पर प्रसिद्ध था, एज अ ऑथर. राजा मुंजा was a gifted poet, while Raja Bhoja had written many books on various subjects such as medicine, astronomy, grammar, religion, architecture, etc. And also you have seen that Raja Munja also was a God gifted poet. He had a quality of a poet, मीन्स उनके अंदर जो क्वालिटी थी पोएट की वो कैसी थी, गॉड गिफ्टेड थी. एंड ऑल्सो राजा भोजा हैड रिटन सो मेनी बुक्स related to many subjects like medicine. He had also written books on medicines, astronomy, grammar, religion and also architecture. Astronomy means जो ज्योतिष शास्त्र कहते हैं उसको भी, उसके बारे में भी उन्होंने लिखा. आर्किटेक्चर मीन्स घर बनाने की जो कला है उसके बारे में भी उन्होंने लिखा. अंडर रॉयल पैट्रोनेज, जो शाही संरक्षण है, अंडर रॉयल पैट्रोनेज स्कॉलर्स डिड यूजफुल वर्क एंड सम फेमस बुक्स ऑन पोएट्री एंड ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द poets or scholars, they have done our good works under royal patronage, and also they wrote so many famous books on various subjects like on poetry, drama, romance, history, science and also medicines were written during this period. Jayadeva was the most remarkable lyrical poet of this period. Jayadeva was also famous as a lyrical poet. जयदेवा भी किस तौर पर जाने जाते थे, लिरिकल पोएट मीन्स काव्यात्मक जो पोएट थे, कवि उस रूप में जाने जाते थे. इन गीत गोविंदा he describes the love of Krishna and Radha. In Geet Govinda, he describes about the love of what? Of Krishna and Radha. Among the prose means क्या होता है, गद्य. आप लोग पढ़े होंगे ना, गद्य prose writers, Dandin, the author of Das Kumar Charitra, and Bana, the author of Harsh Charitra and Kadambari, are very famous. They are also very famous. Bhavabhuti, who lived in the court of Yashuvarman, भवभूति जो थे वो भी किसके कोर्ट में, दरबार में रहा करते थे, यशुवर्मन of Kannauj in 8th century, was a great dramatist. ये भी एक बहुत ही माने जाने ड्रामेटिस्ट थे. Historical and scientific literature also witnessed great advancement during this period. Means during medieval period there also took a lot of advancement in the historical as well as in scientific literature. Among the historians, Kalhana wrote Raj Tarangani. Raj Tarangani means Raja. Raj means Raja. तरंगनी मीन्स व्हाट, मीन्स रिवर ऑफ किंग्स, जो रिवर की तरंग होती हैं, ठीक है, रिवर ऑफ किंग्स. इन द 12th century, among the historians, Kalhana wrote Raj Tarangani in the 12th century, which is the history of Kashmir. ये राज तरंगनी 12th century में कल्हाना द्वारा लिखी गई थी, जो कि किसकी स्टोरी है, हिस्ट्री, विच इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ कश्मीर. बिल्हाना रॉट विक्रमानाका देवा चरित, द बायोग्राफी ऑफ द चालुक्य किंग विक्रमादित्य 6. चंद बरदाइज पृथ्वीराज रासो इज एन इमॉर्टल वर्क ऑफ दिस पीरियड. ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट और जो कभी ना मरने वाली वर्क हैं इन लोगों की. In it he describes the great deeds of his masters. इसमें इन्होंने अपने मास्टर्स के जो कि अच्छे कामों के बारे में बताया है. भास्कराचार्य was the greatest astronomer of this period. Bhaskaracharya also one of the important astronomer of this period. Astronomer means खगोल विज्ञानी. So we see that literature of high order was produced during the Rajput period. In this way we see that most of the development and also progress took place only during Rajput period. Means हमने ये भी देखा कि जो लिटरेचर जो हाई क्वालिटी की लिटरेचर थी वो ज़्यादातर राजपूत टाइम में ही इसका डेवलपमेंट हुआ. दिस पीरियड इज ऑल्सो नोन फॉर द राइज ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस. और ये भी माना जाता है कि यह पीरियड यह समय काल हम इस तौर पर भी मानते हैं कि इस काल में मॉडर्न इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस की भी उत्पत्ति हुई. Sanskrit was the language of the scholars and not of the masses, and especially Sanskrit language became the language of only special person, means high profile person, not for the common people. यह बहुत लोग ज़्यादा लोगों के द्वारा बोली जाने वाली संस्कृत भाषा नहीं थी, ये कम लोगों के द्वारा बोली जाती थी. A large number of regional languages also developed, and after that a large number of regional means क्षेत्रीय भाषाओं की development होनी शुरू हुई. They were known as अपभ्रंशा, जिसको हम अपभ्रंशा कहते हैं. Languages or languages spoken by the common people. ये किसके द्वारा अपभ्रंशा किसके द्वारा बोली जाती थी? Especially by the common people, spoken by especially by the common people. Chandbar Dai is in his famous book Prithviraj Raso describes the exploits of his patron king Prithviraj. In Prithviraj Raso he describes about the exploit means जो कि exploits of his patron king, जो कि संरक्षण किंग के संरक्षक थे. कौन थे? पृथ्वीराज. इन अपभ्रंशा और स्पोकन लैंग्वेज ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल. किसमें लिखा उन्होंने? अपभ्रंश में लिखा, जो कि मोस्टली लोगों के द्वारा पढ़ा जा सके. In this way the modern vernacular languages of India. इस तरह से हमने देखा कि जो हमारे यहाँ की कुछ मातृ भाषाएं हमारे सामने उभर करके आई, उनमें कौन कौन सी हैं? लाइक हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती, बंगाली etc. had their beginning in the Rajput period, and in this way we have seen that most of the languages come out during the time of Rajput period. Now next move towards second topic, that is yes, today only this much. Tomorrow we will discuss about growth of regional languages and literature in the South India, that is AD 800 to 1200. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you.